Hi, welcome to my channel Java Soul. Today we will see a collection interview questions in Java 8 using Stream API. So first one we will see how to find the department-wise counting of employees. Second one is find the department name, which is the highest number of employees. Third one is find the department name that these employees works for and where the number of the employee in the department is over 3. And the last one is to find department-wise highest salary employee. So we have to use few more classes like an employee. Here you can see few of the properties like employee ID, name, salary, and department. And in department, we are having only the one property, which is name. So I'm having the constructor and getter set of methods as well as having has code and equals in both the classes. Let's start. First of all, we have to create a list. Then we will add employee class object. In employee class, as you can see here, I have specified the properties in the order like employee ID, name, salary, and the department. So in the same order, we have to pass the value. First, we need to pass employee ID. Second one is name. Third one is salary. Fourth is department. Because we do have a one property in department, which is department name, so we need to pass the value for this. Okay, so now list is ready. First of all, we will look for this question. Find department wise counting of employee. First, we need to call stream function to convert this list to the stream. Then we need to call the collect function, which will collect element into a collection. Here we will use collectors dot grouping y because we need to find the department wise counting. So we need to do the grouping. Employee in on what fields okay we want to do the group. So that fields we need to pass here. So in employee class, we do have a department. Then we'll use counting. So how it will do the counting? It will check has code. Um, the object having the same value is or not. How many department has IT? As you can see here, we do have a two objects with the value IT, so it will give us as in a department IT having two employee. Department in counting. Mhm. Let's try to run it. Okay, let me add here for next line also. Hmm. Okay, as you can see here, IT in IT, how many employees are there? Two employees are there. In sales, there's one employee. Okay, this accounting spelling mismatch. That's why it's showing as separately one object. Let me run it again. Okay, now we do have a three um, uh, values. As if you can see in first one, the sales having number of employees is one. This is the one only we do have. And the second one is accounting. In accounting, we do have a two employees, Surbi and Hari. In IT, we do have two more employees, the one and the C. Okay. Now, next one we will see find the employee name which is the highest number of, sorry, find the department name which is the highest number of employee. We'll call it stream collect same collectors dot grouping by employee get department, then collectors dot oh, counting. So what I'm doing, I'm adding one more employee object with department IT, um, with name Ritesh. So first of all, we need to call entry set method. Okay, then we'll call a stream function because we need to find the employee uh, which having the highest salary. Huh? So it will returns as you can see here. Okay, let me try to explain it. We do have a map. Okay, we have to call the entry set function which will return the set. Okay, of type entry, and then we have to call the stream function again to convert into the streams. Then we call the max function to find out the maximum. If we want to find the values, then we have to pass the values. So we are trying to find the maximum value. Okay, which is nothing but a counting. Then we'll call the get function. Okay, and it will returns an entry. Is it basically in or method of an optional, which will returns the entry of type department as a key and value as a long. Okay, so we needs to find a department only. So I'm calling the get key function. Okay, let me try to run it. As you can see here, the department name is coming as IT because the IT having the highest number of employees. So how many employees are there in the IT department? Is three employees. The one Rishi and Ritesh, and other departments having one accounting departments having the two employee and sales having only one employee. Okay, now we'll see this. Find the department name that each employee work for with the number of employee in the department is over three. Let me copy this from here. So same thing we need to do. Okay, again we have to call the stream function. Okay, because we are going to use a stream only to perform the operation. So we need to convert this list to a stream. Okay, then we'll call the collect function, which will uh, which will collect the elements into a collection. Then we needs to do grouping based on the department. So I'm passing the department here. Then we need to do the counting. So calling this counting function. Okay, based on the department, we have to do the counting. So it will return some map. The number of employee in the department is over 3. Okay, department map. So as of now, we do have map with department and counting of employee. Counting, sorry, counting of department. Like how many times this department object is added for, like for IT is 3 times, in accounting for 2 times, and sales for 1 time. So we need to get only those department in which number of employees is greater than 3. So I'm calling the entry set function, stream function. Then we need, because we need to do the filter. So calling filter method here. Entry that entry dot get value, and it should be greater than 3. For each system dot out dot println. Okay. For now, I'm just commenting this and this one also. As you can see, there's nothing coming. Let me add one more object of employee. Okay, now you can see the IT having a number of employees is 4. Only there is one employee object is coming. Sorry, one department is coming. Last one, we will see how to find department wise highest salary employee. So let's see this. We are calling maxy function, and because we need to find department wise highest salary employee. So based on the salary, we want to find. That's why I'm using here comparator or comparing int instead of comparing because the type of this salary is int. First one will be the department, second one will be a employee name, and third one the salary. Because it's an optional, we need to call the get function. It will return an employee. Okay, and so we'll call this get employee name, get emp name, and third one will be the salary. Empopt get dot get salary. Okay, so you can see here in IT department we do have the one having salary is 90,000. Only the one object it's giving so I'm just making change here. Something is 1 lakh, 1 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 20,000. So now you can see in IT department we are getting the employee Rohan and he is having the salary is 120. And in sales department in Silpi there is only one employee, so yeah, of course it will returns the same one. And the last one is accounting. In accounting, we do have a two employees. Okay, let me change this also. In accounting, it's returning Hari, and he is having the more salary than Surbi. Yeah, that's it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.